Hi, today I'm going to show our multifunction steering spinner. Okay, this is our steering spinner installed in a Ford Edge or Ford Explorer and many of the Fords based on this chassis. This is the spinner. I want to show this is the RF input device, that is the RF receiver, because this steering spinner is an RF. There are no wires, it's just transmitting. So here when I press turn signals, so we can see the turn signals, and also here there is an indication of the receiver. What I want to show here is also the wipers. So this is the wipers. Press and hold for the wash at any time. The off, of course, and this is a dual LIN module. So basically this is the module. The module is installed here. So dual LIN, very small, very easy to install. Dual dual LIN, and the input device connector on this side. So we can use the RF receiver, we can use the round devices, we can use touch screens, whatever we want to do. What I want to show here is the cancellation. So as we can see that the turn signals are running, so it's cancelling according to the steering position. Okay, only on the return. Now I want to show one more thing in this van. So the cruise, so as we can see that the cruise here, these are the switches. So basically the cruise now is in the off position. So what I can do here in all our systems, that press and hold the left switch or the left turn. So shortly press, it indicates, but if I press and hold, it activates the cruise on and set. Now because the vehicle is stationary, so there is only on. So here I will turn it off from the screen, from the steering. Okay, and when I press, so when I press the left turn, okay, so it activates the on and set. Okay, so even if the turn signals are off, here I'll turn it off again, and I press and hold to activate. So while driving, it's very convenient, very easy. When I touch the foot brake, it cancels. And if I can't while driving, turn it on. So the system basically press and hold, turn it on, and set the speed or the current speed. Now every time we press and hold this switch, basically it sets the speed. Okay, and of course this is the headlight. So if we turn on the auto, or we turn on the manually the headlights or the tail, so press and hold, it locks the press and hold, it locks the high beam. Press and hold low beam, or shortly press to flash. Thank you.